afternoon. Hello. Here we have the infamous Ashley Mux. She is making paper today. Ashley, tell us about this.
Well, Amanda, I am making paper pulp right now.
Oh.
So eventually we're going to squeeze it out and make really cool recycled paper.
Awesome.
Do you want to come closer?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to show you the pulp. So inside I have mixed already the pulp. And this is a handy dandy little blender that blends anything from glazes to paper. And there's high and low speed, so if you put on the low speed, it's a little bit better. Control it more, less mess. So it makes a nice sound, and it chews up the paper.
Now, I noticed that the coloring, it's green. How did you do that?
So there's a couple ways to color paper, right? One is to use food coloring or paint of the color you want, or you can actually just use recycled construction paper of that color. So if you have lime greens and dark greens, you can shred them all up, soak them in water, and then that will be your color. So a lot of artists use paper pulping from recycling paper companies, and they sort out the colors that way.
That is very cool, Ashley.
Yeah. So you ready to make some paper?
We're ready.
All right. So we just have these splash guards they use for, cooking, frying food. And so what you're going to do, you're going to grab some pulp, probably just a handful, place it on the screen, and you want it wet. You don't want to squeeze out the pulp coming out of the container that it's in. You actually want that paper and the wetness, okay, before you squeeze it out. Okay, so you're gonna place it. You can do it on 2 screens or just use one and just press down, but we have extra screens, so I'm gonna actually use it to squeeze out. And it's just squeezing right back into the bucket. And it's going to make an organic shape. There's no set shape on this, but you can do other ways by getting a large cookie cutter, like a heart shape or any type of shape that you want. You want it fairly large so that a spoon or a thumb will be able to fit into it to squeeze out the water like how I'm doing. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna lift this up, and there's the paper. So it's like a pastel color. I love the black specks in it. I'm going to also get a rag and just press a little bit more.
Now, if you wanted to, could you put seeds into the pulp?
Oh, yes, you can. And I would probably do that before you mix the pulp.
I just might have a few seeds we can toss in so that we could actually plant these. Today I have chia seeds that I can grab, and we can add those in, and then...
Oh, that's great. So if you are making this, you can take the pulp and, write a little note on it, and then whenever you're done, discard it. You can discard it instead of actually throwing it away. You can dig up some dirt and cover it up in water, and the chia seeds will sprout up. You can do a lot of different varieties of seeds. You want to add the seeds after you mix it up, okay?
Good call.
Because
you don't want to damage those little seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the smaller the seeds, the better it is. So lazy black-eyed Susans, I think they're called. Chia seeds, anything really tiny.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing your paper making with us
welcome.
today. This looks fun. Just in time for Father's Day cards.
Yes.
Yes. And we'll talk to you later, Ashley.
All right, thanks.
Bye.